Hi, I'm Steve Jones from SQL Server Central and Redgate Software. And I've got another Flyway tip for you, this time looking at code review. I'm a big believer in quality, and one of the things I want to make sure is that when I get changes implemented, right, and we generate scripts, that they meet some quality level, right, or that they don't perform actions we think are unsafe. So here I've selected this order detail item. You can see I'm just adding a column here. So if I click Generate Scripts, one of the things you'll notice is it's generating the scripts, and then what's going to happen is as this appears, I have a code review check in progress, and I also have my name. So my name is the description, but AI actually gives me something better than I would type. And you'll notice this says code review passed here when I've done this. There's nothing inherently wrong. This is a pretty low impact change, and so this one works great. So I'm going to cancel out of this. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to pick this grant change. Now this is, I created a test table called grant just to test my deployment. I actually don't want this, so this is the current view, and I'm going to drop it. So let's generate that script. Now we'll see the same thing. I'll see the code review in progress and then the name, but you'll notice that right away a high severity error has appeared, right? That this is going to drop this table, and I want to be careful. And then I get a warning as well. And then of course I can tell you whether I think this is useful or not. But if I click on the drop table, what will happen is I get the option to ignore this. And if I do that, it's going to say, don't run this rule, right? So I don't have to do that. If I click, learn more, it goes to the rule itself in the Redgate documentation. But the key thing is I have the option to kind of do these things, right? And so we also give you a warning here that we are suppressing the linting or the code analysis, code review here. Now, if I click these, I just get the option to learn more, which takes me to the issue. And you can see that my high profile issue has gone away because I actually deleted this. Now, if I get rid of that, the code review will pick that up again as a potential issue. So it's a small thing, but catching it here before I've generated this deployment script, I've stuck it into version control, and I've asked for a pull request review. This is an option to catch these types of things early. And there's a whole list of changes that we check, and you can certainly enhance those, disable those, customize them, whatever you want to do. So if you haven't given this a try in Flyway Desktop, please give it a try today. I'm Steve Jones for SQL Server Central and Redgate Software.